Hi learners, welcome to our another new video. Today we are going to learn the name of 10 clothing with their correct spellings and pronunciations. Now, here we go. Number 1. Shirt. S H I R T. Shirt. Number 2. Jeans. J E A N S. Jeans. Number 3. Coat. C O A T. Coat. Number 4. Jacket. J A C K E T. Jacket. Number 5. Sweater. S W E A T E R. Sweater. Number 6. Skirt. S K I R T. Skirt. Number 7. Trousers. T R O U S E R S. Trousers. Number 8. Shorts. S H O R T S. Shorts. Number 9. T-shirt. T S H I R T. T-shirt. Number 10. Raincoat. R A I N C O A T. Raincoat. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned to learn more. Do subscribe my channel